Welcome to a new era of service. Meet the intelligent service robot, integrating advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, perception technology, and machine learning. At the main control platform of this innovation is the FET3588J-C SoM. Powered by RockChip's RK3588 processor, it features a 4-core Cortex A76 and 4-core Cortex A55 architecture, ensuring efficient data processing. With a built-in NPU offering up to 6 TOPS, it excels in AI learning and edge computing, adapting intelligently to diverse tasks. The robot's eyes are its camera, capturing high-resolution images with a 48-megapixel ISP 3.0, enhancing image quality with advanced corrections. Supports external storage like SATA 3.0, USB 3.0, and wireless communication via Wi-Fi, 4G, and 5G for real-time data access. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable performance in harsh industrial environments. Experience the future of intelligent service robots with Forlinx Embedded's FET3588J-C SoM.